Today, I wish to demonstrate how to create a graph in Google Sheets. First of all, you need to log in to your Google Sheet using your credentials. After that, to create a graph, you must select any table. For instance, I have this table with the names of sales agents along with their sales figures categorized by countries. We want to create a graph based on this table. Simply select this table. Once it's selected, navigate to the Insert tab at the top. You'll find numerous options available. Then, just click on the Chart option. After selecting that option, soon, your graph will appear in front of you. And once the graph is generated, then replace it to the right side, and replacing it, you can observe how it has been constructed. Within this graph, you can notice that names are placed at the bottom. On the left side, sales figures are indicated, and the names of countries are written alongside the bars. Using this method, you can easily create graphs for any type of data. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to this channel.